In this lesson, we will get a general overview of the dictionary data type in Python. Dictionaries in Python are versatile and powerful data structures used to store collections of key value pairs. Let's get a sense for what these key value pairs look like. Each key will latch onto one value. Now, when I say one value, I mean one object. That object could be a string, a list, a tuple, or any other object in Python. The key itself will have a key name, and this will be a unique value or a unique object. Each unique key name will be associated with a value. In Python, we create a dictionary using curly braces. Each key and value are separated by a colon, and each key value pair are separated by a comma, which we'll see in this video. A dictionary is mutable. This means it can be altered in place. However, a dictionary key must be immutable. For example, it can be a number, a string, or a tuple, or any other immutable data type. As of Python 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. This is fantastic because the order of the dictionary is now known. Dictionaries are extremely powerful in GIS, and we're going to see this over the course of the videos in this section. Let's head over to PyScripter and dive straight in and create a dictionary so you get a better feel for them. We can create a dictionary using curly braces. Let's create a variable called empty_dict and we'll set that to equal empty curly braces. We'll hit enter. Empty dict is now a dictionary object. Let's just show that. We'll use the built-in type function and supply in our empty dict variable. Hit enter and we can see that it is a dictionary object. We can also print the empty dict screen and see that it is empty. We simply have a pair of curly braces. We can also use the built-in dict function to create a dictionary. This will create an empty dictionary. We'll print empty dict screen again and we can see we have our empty dictionary. Let's create a dictionary that actually has some entries and we'll keep it simple. We'll create a dictionary called num_dict and set this to equal our curly braces. In this example, all our keys are going to be integers and all our values are going to be strings. Our first key will be 1. Now you don't have to put in spaces, but it makes a dictionary easier to read. I'm going to put in a space followed by a colon. The key name sits to the left of the colon and the value sits to the right of the colon. So we'll create a string as the value and we'll put in the text 1. So 1 is the key name and the string of 1 is the value. And each key and value are separated by a colon. Now each key value pair are comma separated. Let's create a couple more entries. We'll use 2, colon, and the word 2, comma, and we'll use 3, colon, and the word 3. And we'll hit enter. Now there's a little quirk in PyScripter that I want you to note here. Remember that dictionaries are ordered. That order is the order that the entries are added. Now I want you to take a look at what happens when I type in numdict in the Python interpreter and hit enter. Well, that's not really a quirk, is it? Just follow me here for a second. I'm going to go back to the numdict and I'm going to add in 0 and the word 0 and hit enter. Now when I print numdict without using the print function, we can see that 0 has been placed at the front of the dictionary. When printing dictionaries, always use the print function. And we can see that that is in the proper order that the dictionary was created. In that example, we use integers as our key names. In the next example, we're going to mix it up and use different data types or object types as our key names. We'll create a variable called mixed_dict and we'll set that to equal our curly braces. And we'll start with a string. We'll just call it string. And we'll use our colon and we'll just set that to equal hello. Now a string is immutable, so any immutable object can be a key name. I'll show you here with a tuple, minus 6.27 and 53.35. Here's our colon, and we'll set the value to my coords. And of course, we have seen integers. We'll create a key of 1, 2, 3 and a value that is also an integer of 1, 2, 3 and hit enter. We can print our mixed dictionary to screen and we can see we have our dictionary created. Just to show you what that would look like if I didn't use the print function there, we can see that it orders it by numeric keys first, strings second, and then the tuples. In this video, we got a brief overview of the dictionary data type in Python. The main takeaways are that a dictionary is created using curly braces. A dictionary contains key value pairs. The key name must be unique, and each key latches onto one object. Each key and value are separated by a colon, and each key value pair are separated by a comma. There's a lot more we can do with dictionaries, and we will see this throughout this section.